Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the 5 best backup camera in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best backup camera. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. AUTO-VOX CS to wireless backup camera. The AUTO-VOX CS to backup camera gets our vote for the best backup camera. In addition to adjustable parking lines, you can also adjust the camera's height to ensure that you receive an image proportional to your vehicle, whether it is a car, truck, or trailer. Simply set up your camera using the suction cup mount for your dashboard or windshield. You will receive a strong, vivid picture thanks to the incorporated PC 1058 sensor. 110 golden angles help ensure a clear image free of distortion. Use is reliable too, with the camera providing its own exclusive digital wireless signal specifically designed to prevent any interference. The camera is waterproof with an IP68 rating to secure your purchase, but a 1-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee also apply. AirApta ERT01 Backup Camera. The AirApta ERT01 backup camera is a wired backup camera with a versatile design that works on a variety of different vehicles, from sedans to trucks. It is adjustable to the height of your vehicle, thanks to a level reversing camera that also provides a 149-degree angle view. 6 glass lenses and full true color reproduction all help ensure clarity with this universal rear view camera, providing 720p video capture resolution and superior night vision. Furrion Vision S 4.3-inch wireless RV backup system. The Furrion Vision S wireless backup system uses a long-range to 0.4 GHz signal to protect your RV. Features include a built-in microphone with sound and motion detection to keep your RV safe at all times. Viewing is made easy, thanks to an oversized screen of over 4 inches with built-in anti-glare, 720p resolution, and a 180-degree view. When parked, you can see a range up to almost 500 feet, but even at night, the range is impressive at 40 feet. There is live streaming available, plus extras like infrared night vision and IP65 waterproofing. With a universal fit, this requires just a simple installation to get started. LiQooloo LK3 Backup Camera. With almost a 150-degree angle of view, the LiQooloo LK3 backup camera has 6 white LED lights to provide visibility, even during the dark of night. This camera is all about DIY, with adjustable settings for the height and width to fit your environment. If you prefer automation, that is an option too, as you can turn off the setting and let the camera move between rear and front views. The LCD screen is generous at a size of over 4 inches with a 1080p resolution. Plus, IP69 waterproofing means extra durability for the long run. Just use the easy surface or dashboard mount to install, and you are on your way. Pyle Backup Car Camera Rear View Mirror Screen Monitor System. The Pyle Plugum 4550 combines that natural inclination with the high-tech features of today's driving experience by way of a small 4.3-inch display integrated into a replacement rear-view mirror. The weatherproof, wide-angle camera feed automatically activates when shifting into reverse and overlays scale lines that are helpful for gauging distance when squeezing into a tight spot. This Pyle backup camera is designed to work with the mirror rather than replace it. We like how Pyle keeps things simple with a low distraction interface that won't draw your attention while driving. And while its use of a wired camera limits its compatibility with longer trucks and SUVs, though a wireless version is available, the direct connection is perfect for most midsize cars and comes with the benefit of immunity to video interference while reversing.